If you've only got £10,000 that you want to invest, I would personally recommend getting a house like this. Now, this house is in Birmingham, and one of my students, Danny, he didn't buy the house. What did you do, Danny?
I done a rent to rent.
Rent to rent. So Danny had to put down a total of £10,000, and that was the upfront rent.
Yeah, and staging.
Staging it. Well, it looks absolutely fabulous. How many bedrooms has it got in total?
7.
7 bedrooms. How much rent do you? I know you had to pay 10 grand initially. You got 1 month grace period.
Yeah, 1 month and £2,300 per month is the rent.
So you're paying the landlord 2,300. It's 7 bedrooms. How much rent do you get per month from this one house?
At a 90% occupancy, I can turn over between 8 and 8.5k.
8 and 8.5 grand turnover. So how much profit does that leave you with typically?
Between 4 and 5, depending on cleans, laundry, supplies,
That's
maintenance.
that's like a full-time salary.
Yeah.
From one house.
Yeah.
Potentially going to buy the house down the line, but I tell you something, if you want to make financial freedom happen, the best strategy is rent to rent.